by the directors of Radio North Sea International. When Radio North Sea International first began broadcasts, it soon became apparent our transmissions were causing interference with lifeboat service broadcasts, and for this reason, Radio North Sea International changed frequency to 244 meters. This frequency was chosen so that it would not interfere with any emergency broadcast, nor would it interfere with any legally authorized broadcasting station. The interference that you can hear on 244 meters is intentional and so designed to discourage Radio North Sea International bringing you the programs you want to hear. Radio North Sea International, having done nothing illegal, has received no official complaints and therefore presumes it is other broadcast transmissions that are causing interference on 244 meters. Radio North Sea International further presumes that these transmissions which cause the interference will cease and allow Radio North Sea International to bring you the programs that you want to hear on 244 meters, 1230 kilocycles.
On the 13th of June 1970, the week preceding the 1970 general election, the Caroline organization used the transmitters of RNI and started an anti-Wilson campaign with its aim to ensure that a Labour government was not re-elected. Posters portraying Harold Wilson as Chairman Mao were displayed all over London. A rally was organized in Trafalgar Square and a special Caroline bus toured marginal constituencies in an effort to bring a Conservative government to power.
If you think we're radio we are the boys who will stop your train. We are the boys who will make you think. Who do you think you are kidding, Mr. Wilson? If you think we're radio Mr. Trump and 521 and so watch out, Mr. Wilson, you have special message. If you think you can come down with who do you think you are kidding, Mr. Wilson? If you think the radio stop.
Radio Caroline is surviving. It's all because of you, and you are making it all possible. Right now, it's 28 minutes past the hour of 4 o'clock. In the afternoon, you're all on your way to number 10. Wait a minute, Roger Day is here. Twiggy is here to talk to you.
Yes, I really would like to say that in my greatest expectations, I never realised that so many people would turn out in our cause, and we've made all the disc jockeys and the crew on board very proud and very happy to be, part of you. And right now, I'm very proud to be British, and I'm proud of you too. So thank you very much for turning up. That's allowed.
Right. I think what we're doing right now is unbelievable. I hope that everyone realizes what our fight is all about. I hope everyone realizes that if you believe in freedom and if you believe in the freedom of choice, if you believe that what we are doing is important, and you do, of course, because you are there and you are marching and you are going down the street, I think you should all wave your hands in the air right now and jump for joy, because this meeting is so fantastic, and I hope that Harold gets our message. I hope he does.
Caroline is the sound of the land. Caroline is the sound of the nation. Caroline!
We interrupt the program to bring you a Caroline news This is your chance to fight for free radio. Vote for free radio on Thursday. Your weapon is the vote. Be a Caroline girl. Your help is needed urgently to fight for Radio Caroline and for your freedom. You'll be working with TV star Simon D., Caroline's first disc jockey, and Ronan O'Reilly, the man who brought offshore radio to Britain. Join the team working on the Caroline buses. Call immediately, London 629-8606. Today, telephone London 01629-8606. Or if you are in London, call at number 19 Hayes Mews, London West 1, near to Berkeley Square. That's 19 Hayes Mews, London West 1, where you'll receive a very, very warm welcome in the spirit of the campaign for Radio Caroline and your freedom.
Yes, thank you very much, Alan. Very true words there. And, well, I know we are sort of going on about political things here, and that isn't really what a radio station is all about, but this is something we've been forced in by a very dictatorial attitude. I mean, if you remember, when the Census Bill was passed, it made it very difficult for Caroline to survive, and it resulted, actually, in Caroline going off there before on March the 3rd, 1968. Now, I was on board the ship at that time, and I felt very sad, and I think we all on board felt, well, a tremendous loss at the time. And I wonder if you felt that loss there at the same time, probably. And you wish you could have done something about it, don't you? And stopped us going off the air. Well, now we're back, you see, and none of us on board really want to go through that again, and for Caroline to have to go off the air, because I think I'll probably speak for Andy, who's on board, and Carl at the same time, and that we wouldn't really want to be on board if Caroline would have to go off the air this time, because it'd just be too sad, and we probably couldn't think of anything to say, and we'd rather be off the ship at the time.
And we have a look at the Radio Caroline news at this time, and first of all, the general election. This is Andy Archer reporting. The opinion poll fast goes on as 3 more results were issued early this morning. The Labour lead over the Conservative varies from 2% to 7%. In terms of seats in the next Parliament, this would give Labour a majority of anything from 20 to 100. The Harris poll in the Daily Express predicts a lead of 2%. The National Opinion poll in the Daily Mail gives a lead of 4.1%, I'm sorry about that. And the Gallup poll in the Daily Express gives 7%. And according to the Harris poll, the Conservatives have a definite advantage in key marginal seats. The polling booths open at 7 o'clock this morning. And finally, the Caroline weather. England and Wales should be rather cloudy, although sunny spells will occur chiefly in the north. Showers or further outbreaks of rain are expected, especially in the Midlands, South East England, parts of East Anglia and Wales. Temperatures will be similar, or probably a little higher than yesterday, and the outlook for the weekend, dry in the north, and in the south, well, we can expect rain, and a forecast of some showers as well. This has been News and Weather with Andy Archer reporting, and public service announcement. The polling booths are open today from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m., 10 p.m., 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. This is the general election day, Thursday, June the 18th, 1970. And Radio Caroline also advises you to use your vote. It's 2 minutes after 8 o'clock on Caroline.
The Conservative government have won the 1970 general election.
Just how much help the election campaign gave cannot be accurately ascertained, but it was the first time that 18-year-olds were able to vote. On the 20th of June, 1970, the station changed its name back to RNI. Further transmitter moves were made to 217 meters, 1485 kilohertz, and then back to 244 meters in an attempt to dodge the jamming. But the jamming continues.
Following control of our transmitter, this